Hello again. Today we're going to go over how to have a bot use your custom skin or character that you've made for Unreal Tournament. And today I need a bot to use my robot skin. So first thing we're going to do is go find a bot and copy it from what has already been pre-made. So we're just going to type in, we're going to go to Content and search for bot. And you notice these red data assets are all bots that are already in the game. And I'm just going to pick Lieb here, and I'm going to copy him over into my robot folder that I'm working out of. So just drag and drop and copy. Okay. And over here, now you see Lieb. We need to go ahead and rename him. Now, I've thought about a name for this robot, and what's funny is that they've already got a couple of characters that are named after Star Trek The Next Generation. We've got Picard, Riker, and you know what? Now we're going to have Data. So we're going to go ahead and name him Data. And I'm going to go ahead and open this data asset up and make sure that it's using the character R1, so the robot. And pick the robot voice. In this case, of course, it may or may not work. You know, we may fall back on something else if it gives us some kind of problem, but we'll go ahead and do that. Now you can change other things like the hat. You know, you can pick a different hat if you've got them, or of course eyewear. And there's other settings in here that you can kind of play around with to get your bot the way they want. Like this guy, apparently his favorite weapon is the shock rifle. We can change that or leave it alone, but we're just going to leave it alone because we're going to do this really fast. Okay, so now we need to make sure that our blueprint is connected to our data bot. You know, that's kind of confusing, our bot character. So we're going to go ahead into variables and type data because that's the name of our bot. And we're going to select, we're going to search for object and reference. And then down here you'll see it says please compile the blueprint. So we're going to go ahead and compile, save, and this is where we're going to pick data. And we got a lot of stuff because we kind of named him kind of something funky, but you'll notice that this is our data asset, and you can check the path there. Game restricted assets, character, my stuff, robot. So I know that's the right one. So I'm going to go ahead and compile again and save. So we're done with that. Now we're going to check it in the game. Go ahead and share a character, and that's fine. We'll go ahead and save that. And that's just, I believe that's just saving the changed name because we copied it and pasted it. So we're going to go ahead and select the character to pack out, which is R1. And show output log. Okay, so I'll skip all this in the video and I'll be back in a second.
The match is starting.
Biohazard.
Okay, so I've just got the base character selected. We're gonna, and no bots, we're gonna use the console to add our bot and test him out.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we're gonna hit our tilde key to open up the console, and we're gonna type the following. We're gonna type force add bot. Oh, I'm sorry. Gotta get this right here. I'm looking at a list on my other screen. Force add named bot. So force add named bot. And then this guy is data. And then we type 0 followed by a line, whatever that character is, or yeah, set bot count 1. If we did it right, once we hit enter, okay, data's there and he's shooting at us. There he is, and he's using the right skin and everything. So that is a successful test, and that's how you add bots using custom skins.